Friends, today I will learn a lesson about uh, simplification methods from my dad. I asked my dad to put this on YouTube so all of my friends can see.
Okay, now. Okay, so here is the thing. Add and simplify. Okay, so this is the thing. So in math, what we are doing is we are simplifying things. Okay, for example, this looks funny for you, but I am trying to prove you something. Okay, 7 plus 3. If somebody writes, then what you will write?
10.
10. Okay, then somebody is writing this 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. What you will write immediately?
16.
16. Okay. So this is add and simplify. Okay. So whenever there is a long math, you will make it shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. Okay. Okay, Mane. Now to simplify, what you will do, some kids will do like this: 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Some kid will write equal to 10 plus 4 plus 2 equals 14 plus 2 equals 16. Some kids will write this like this also, right, Mane? Some kids, okay? So we all do different things in different ways, okay? Okay, so now Ajay is going to do something else, okay? So let us go to the next slide. So prepare these slides just to teach you. Multiply and simplify, okay? So in this process, 2 into 3 equals. Simplify.
6.
6. Okay, good. Shiva, whatever you write, it won't stay. It will, it
No,
won't.
I can just delete it.
Yeah, okay. That's okay.
I
Then,
can just click clear and clear all my drawings.
okay, okay. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Then you can write because whatever Acha writes only comes here, okay, in the recording. No, in the PDF. Okay. So 2 times 2 times 3, then what you will write?
Then I will write 12.
12. Okay. Okay, so 12. You know what some kids write? Some kids will, oh, okay, let me write it like this. Some kids will write, okay, 2 into 2,
2
4,
times
3.
6.
Then they will write 12. Okay, some kids will write like this also. Okay, that's okay. Some kids. Now we are going to do, next slide, we are going to do division to simplify. Okay. Yeah, division to simplify. Okay. Here there is 15 divided by 3. Okay.
It's
So,
5.
okay, equals 5. Equals 5 by 1. That you should remember. Okay. Any number, you can write it as 5 divided by 1. There is a reason for that. Okay.
Because then it will stay as 5.
Yeah, it's the same as 5. So next Acha is writing 20 divided by 4. Now, yeah, you know the answer, but you know the answer. Okay. 5. Okay. 5 divided by 1. Now, Acha is going to show you something. Okay. Equals. Acha is going to write what Acha did here.
You cut it and put 5 and 1.
5 and 1. Okay. So now we are going to write something else. Okay. Next problem. If I cut this, what should I write here?
If you cut it, then you should write 5.
No, on the bottom.
1.
And here?
There, 5.
5. Okay. So equals 5 by 1. Okay. So you think that why Acha is doing all these things? There is a point. Okay. Now that you will understand next when I am coming to the next one. Okay. Now 3, I am writing some big numbers. Okay. No, I am writing 6 divided by 48. Okay. This is actually a fraction. So I'm asking you to cut and write. So if I'm going to cut this, okay? What can I write?
5.
This is 6.
1.
1. This?
But I don't understand how 1 comes here.
Yeah.
This 1.
1 comes here. Okay. I'll tell you one thing. Okay. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do here. Okay. Now, suppose I'm writing, okay, I'm writing 35 by 7 equals. I'm cutting this and writing 1. I'm cutting this and writing 5. You know what I did actually?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So actually I divided 35 by 7. Okay. Okay. So let me tell you something else. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to write it like this. Okay, Mane? 45 by 3 by 6. 45 by 6. Okay. 6. So what I'm trying to do is, okay. What I'm trying to do is, we found divisibility, right? Okay. So suppose I can divide this 6. I can write this 6 as, okay, equals 3 into 2. Is it okay?
Yes.
Then I can write this as 3 into 15. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then I'm cutting this 3 and 3. It can be cut. Okay. You know the reason I'm teaching you simplification. Okay. The reason is if somebody writes 3 into 15 by 3 into 2, you can cancel the common numbers. Yeah. Yes. Then what you will get? 15 by 2.
15 by 2.
So that means 45 by 6 equals
equal to
15 by 2. Okay. So this is a simplification. Okay. Simplification. Okay. This is what we are learning now. Okay. Now Acha is writing another number. Okay. Shiva. 22 by 4 equals. You have to, this is why you should have multiplication table on your fingertips. Acha is going to write 2 times 11 divided by 2 times 2. Right? This 4 became 2 times 2. This 22 became 2 times 11. Right, Mane?
Cut the common numbers.
Yeah, cut the common numbers. Equals
11 times 2, 11 by 2.
Yeah, you cannot make it smaller than this because there are no common things. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to do some more problems. Okay. I'm going to put a page. Socha is going to write something. Okay. 34 divided by 4 equals 2 times 17 divided by
2 times 7 divided by 2 times 2. We cut the common numbers. 17 by 2.
Oh, okay. You erase everything. Okay. Now Acha is writing something. Okay.
44 divided by 4.
I'm writing it as
4 times 11 and divided by 4 times 1. Cut the common numbers.
yes,
11 by 1.
which is equal to 11. Right, Mane?
Yeah.
Huh? So
Yeah.
this was like I got a whole number, right? But here I got a fraction. Right, Mane? Not a fraction. Here I got something which is if you divide it, then you will get. Suppose we are dividing. Okay, you are not getting. There is some reminder coming. Okay, suppose you are dividing it. What you will get? 17 divided by 2. What do you get?
So 17 divided by 2, you get 2.
How many times?
It can only go
Normal.
8 times.
8 times. So what should I write here?
16.
Then what is coming?
1.
So remainder 1. So here there is a reminder coming. Here there is, what is the reminder? Here also there is a reminder, 0, right? Right, Mane? So, okay. So now we are writing some other number, okay?
55 by 10.
Okay.
Can I write it this time?
Yes.
5. And then 5, 2.
Okay.
Now I cut these two. 11 by 2.
Yes. So this is a simplification method. Okay. Okay, Mane. Okay, Mane. This is simplification. Okay, so
I understand this one, but the one we were talking yesterday, I did not understand.
yeah, so that's why Acha changed Acha's strategy. Okay, 1 second. Hello. One second. Recording, you know. Mahesh, wait, Mane.
Yeah.
So Acha is going to write it so that you clear it so that it will come in the PDF notes. When Acha writes, it comes in the PDF notes. You clear it. Okay, so you got it like a 5 into 11 divided by 5 into 2. Then you cut, then you get 11 by 2. So whenever you are writing something like this, okay, you should always look, how can I cut up and down, right, Mane?
Yeah.
So this is called a numerator, right? And the numbers on the bottom is called, what do you call them?
Denominator.
Numerator and denominator.
Denominator.
Okay. So now we are going to do like, let us try something, and then if you are not comfortable, we'll come back. Okay. So what is this division? This one, a simplification.
Multiplication and division to simplify.
It's coming together. Okay. Such as writing a problem. Okay. 25 divided by 10 into 30 equal what? Simplify. Okay.
So I just do the thing you just now taught me.
Okay.
25.
Wait. You can do it in one step. That's what, let Acha show you something. Okay, then you can do. Okay. So this is equal to, okay, Mane? So there is one thing. This one, you can write it like this. Okay. 25 divided by 10. Okay, you can extend the line. Okay. Into 30. Okay. That's the first step. Extend the line and make somebody upside and somebody on the bottom, right? You know why? Because this 25 divided by 10 into 30, when Acha say, you should see it as 25 by 10 into 30 by 1, right? I am extending the line. Okay, so whatever it is, you can extend the line first. So the first step you'll have to do is, you'll have to extend it. Okay, Mane? Okay, we extended the line. Now you simplify. I'll show you. Okay, just look. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm trying to do a lot of things. Okay. One kid is doing like this. So suppose different kids are doing different ways. Okay. One kid is doing like this. One kid is doing like this. Okay. You know what this kid is doing? This kid is doing 5 times 5 into 30 divided by 5 times 2. Okay. Now, the next kid, you know what that kid is doing? That kid is doing 25 into 3 times 10. Okay, let me, 3 times 10 divided by 1 times 10. One kid is doing, okay? You know, yet another kid is there. You know what that kid is doing? Kids are crazy, right? That kid is doing 25 into 2 times 15 divided by 2 times 5. One kid is doing like that. So, is any kid wrong?
Any kid wrong? No, none of them are wrong.
None of them are wrong. This kid is right. This kid is also correct. This kid is also correct. Okay, Mane? So, now we are going to do some more simplification. Okay, so let us put another sheet. So we are going to copy all these things. Okay, we are putting an extra page. So what we are going to, what is the problem we asked? Okay, what is this? Okay, so the question is 25 divided by 10 into 30. This is the question. Simplify. Simplify. This is the question asked, right, Mane? If this is the question asked, then we found that 3 kids. How many kids? 3 kids. Okay. 3 kids are doing it like 25. Sorry. This kid is doing it as 5 times 5 into 30 divided by 5 times 2. One kid is doing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, came back. Okay, so if I want to erase a portion, I can erase it like this. Okay, good. Now, kid 1. What the other kid is doing? Other kid is doing, he is keeping 25 the same way. 25 into 3 times 10, right? Then he is writing 1 times 10. Right, Mane? Then the other kid is doing 25 into 2 times 15 divided by 2 times 5. Okay. So all the three kids, we found that he is correct. He is correct. He is correct. Right, Mane? Now, cutting. What this kid can cut?
He can cut 5.
And 5. Okay. Then what he will have? He will have 5 times 30 divided by 2. Right, Mane? And this kid can cut what? This 10?
This 10 and then the
this
10.
So this kid got 25 times 3 by 1. Right, Mane? And what this kid will have, the third kid? The third kid will cut what?
2.
And 2. So this kid will have 25 times 15 divided by 5. Okay. Now the teacher is saying that no, you can further simplify. Okay, what the teacher says? Further simplify. Okay. Further simplify, kids. This is what the teacher says. So then this kid thinks. Okay, Shiva, tell me, Mane, what this kid can write? 5
times 30.
Okay.
No. 5.
Is there any way he can get rid of that 2? So he has to think in terms of 2.
5 times 2.
No. The top should not change. 5 he has written. Then he can write it as 2 times 15 divided by 2 times 1. Right? This kid is writing. He says that I am done. Okay. What this case does? I am done.
I am done.
And he write it as 75. Done. He says right, done. Okay. It's like crazy kid says what? Done.
Done.
Okay. I can't go further.
Where did he get the 1 from?
Oh, this one?
Oh, now it makes sense.
Okay. Now, here, this kid says, teacher says, further simplify, kid. Okay. So this kid says, okay, I can simplify in 2 ways. This kid is again crazy. Okay. You know, see what he's doing? He's saying, I can write it like 5 times 5 into 15 divided by 5. Or teacher, I can write like this, 25 times 3 times 5 divided by 5. Teacher said, oh, okay. Now you write your simplify. This kid says, oh, okay, I'm cutting this. What he gets now? He gets now 5
times 15.
Okay. Then this kid says, oh, here he cuts this. He gets what? 25 times 3. Teacher says, oh, come on, kids, simplify further. Okay. So one kid already said done. Right, Mane? So these kids, they have to reach one number like that. Okay. So this kid, what he is doing is he's cutting again. So now he is getting what? 5 times 15. Right? Equals what?
5 times 15 equals 50.
But 15, okay, 12 times 5, 13 times 5, 14 times 5, 15 times 5. You can do either ways. 5 times 15 is
55.
Shiva, once again, Mane. 15 times 5. No finger. No fingers.
75.
75. Okay. Then he says done.
75.
Yeah. Then he says done.
75.
Yeah, I got it 75. I wrote it. Then what this kid says? 5 times 15. What he gets now?
He gets 75.
Okay. And this method, what he gets? 25 times 3.
75.
75. So everybody is saying done. Done. Okay, so finally what the teacher wanted is a done from everybody. And this kid got 75 done. This kid already got 75 done. This kid got 75 done. This kid also got 75 done. Okay, now where did we start? We started in this and simplify, right? So all the kids are getting what?
All the kids are getting the answer.
What answer?
75.
So this is simplification. Okay.
Mm.
Now, can you do some simplifications? You have to think like many different kids. Okay. In your head, I am putting lot of kids. Lot of kids. Okay. So is it interesting, Mane?
Can you just give me a question?
Yeah, I am giving question. Okay. I am giving a question for you now. Okay. Question is 12 by 4
times.
point. Think like couple of kids. You write in the paper, otherwise your handwriting.
First, I take this out.
Yeah, you write at least one answer you write, okay?
I have to write in the paper or on here?
Yeah, write in the paper, write in the paper.
Write in the screen.
Write in the screen then. Okay, screen writing.
But I have to write the question, otherwise I can't erase anything you write.
Okay. No, question is there. Now you'll start writing the answers. Ah. Think.
First, I have to simplify 12 times 20.
Yeah. So first step Acha will write and then I will hand over. First step is, yeah.
First step, we have to simplify 12
Yeah.
times
First step is everything I am putting one line, okay?
12
Now
times
you start doing, okay. You can write one kid, two kid, three kid. Right, okay, let us make a T. If you are unable to write there, write in the paper, okay.
and so. No. Hmm.
Shiva. Otherwise, if you say, I will write. Do you want me to write?
No, can you show me the previous page?
Okay, sure. Yes. Now you see and write this answer. Write in the paper.
Oh.
Okay.
Now, can you go to the next page?
Okay. So do you write in the paper? That would be easy. You see this one and write in the paper. Let us do practice.
No.
Huh?
Go to the next page.
Yes.
Now I write this, and then I write this, then I cut this. So 3 times 20.
Mhm. Can you select a different color?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
This color.
Hmm.
Oh my god.
And you will get an answer like, put only one cut. Okay. Don't put
No,
cut, cut, cut.
so much.
Okay. Now that makes it dirty.
3 times 20.
Yeah.
Mm, 3 times 20. 60.
Yeah, 60. Now you think as another kid. Write the answer 60
Go
and
back to the previous page.
yes, previous page.
What's your mouth?
Now Shiva, write in paper, okay? Otherwise it's not working. We don't have that much of time, okay?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Uh,
Write in the paper. Note down the
yeah,
question.
I wrote them in the paper.
Okay. You wrote in
The
the paper.
remaining I have to do.
Okay. So
Next page.
okay, so I'll do one thing. Okay, give me 1 second. I will end the screen sharing for a second, and I'll put a whiteboard for you. You can write in the whiteboard better way.
Yeah, but what was that question?
I'll give you the question. Okay. Okay, the question is, okay. Give me 1 second. Let me sign in. Otherwise, this won't save. Okay. Shiva, don't move it. Move it. Don't move it.
Wait. Acha, can you stop the recording?
Wait.
Mm.
Okay, so you want the problem, Mane?
Yeah. But can you pause the recording?
Where is that? This is the thing. 12, 20. Okay, now you solve it.
First. Hey, can I write it down?
Yeah.
Can you erase your one?
Yes.
First, I have to make it more simple.
Yes.
I'll do the thing I did last time. 4, 5, 3 times 20. Then I put 4. Then I cut this one and cut this one. Oh, I don't. Oh, okay. First, I split it. 2 times 2. And 4 is sitting here.
There should be a 2 there to cut for you, right? Yeah.
Cut a 2.
Yeah. You can do a combined cut also. 2 into 2 and 4, you can cut both together, right? That also you can cut. And then this 2 also you have to cut. Okay, you write the way you like.
3 times 6. 3 times 2.
First, you write the original question. Where is the original question?
The original question is 12 times 20
divided by 4. Now you write the answers. Okay. So that values should.
1.
If the value changes, it should change in the top and bottom together.
This is my answer.
120?
Yes.
Okay. But the answer is 60.
60?
Yes.
Oh, that makes sense.
That makes sense.
Then what am I supposed to do with this 2?
No, you know what mistake you made?
What?
Wait. So erase this. Okay, let me show you what is the thing. Okay, see, here is the thing. Okay. Shiva, look. The question is 12 by 4 into 20. Okay. Next step equals 12 into 20 divided by 4. Right?
Then we separate 4.
Yeah, then the kids are thinking like this. 2 kids. Okay. Okay, so let me erase this original question so that I will get more board space. Okay, wait.
You can erase my one?
Yeah. So what did you do?
So I can erase your one? I can't.
It's all coming up. Okay, wait. Let us solve this. Okay, don't move the mouse. Okay. So 2 kids are thinking like this. Okay, one kid is thinking, okay, let me be super smart. So that kid is writing that kid is writing 4 times 3 into 20 divided by 4 times 1. Then the other kid is thinking, okay, other kid is thinking 2 times 6, 2 times 6 into 20 divided by 2 times 2. Okay. Then the third kid is thinking, okay, there are a lot of kids. 12 into 2 into 10. Listen, Shiva. 2 times 2. Okay. Then the teacher asking, are you guys done? No. So the teacher says, what the teacher says? Further simplify, right? Further simplify. So this kid cuts. Okay. Then what he gets? 3 times 20. Shiva, move your mouse, money. 3 times 20. Then this kid says, oh, okay, I'm cutting this. And this kid is writing 6 times 20 by 2. Okay. And this kid is cutting these two. He is writing 12 times 10 divided by 2. Then the teacher asking, are you guys done? What's the question, teacher? Are you guys done? This kid says, no, give me 1 more minute. The kid says, oh, okay, 60. And this kid says, done. Okay. This kid says, no, let me do a little bit more. So this kid says 3 times 2 times 20, then divided by 2, cut. Okay. And this kid, so when you cut it, what you will get? 3 times
60.
That is equal 60. And this kid says, oh, I am done. Okay. And the next kid says, oh, wait, please. I'm doing into 10 divided by 2. Cut. What do you get? 6 times 10. And the
60.
kid gets 60. So then all the kids are saying, teacher, we are done now. 60 done. This kid, teacher says right. This kid says 60 done. Teacher says right. This kid says 60 done. Teacher says right. So this problem, the answer is 60. So this is simplification technique. Okay,
Can
Mane?
you give me another question?
Yes, I'm going to give another question. Okay. So we are like moving it up. Okay, and the question is, fifteen by 6 into 30. This is the question. Simplify. You simplify as one kid, okay? Shiva.
I'll simplify like this. 3 times 5 times 2 times 1 5.
Good.
3 times 2. I got 2, I got 3, I got 3, I got 2.
Yes.
Then I have
Ah.
5
Ah.
times 15.
Yes.
So I bring it down here.
Ah. Right. Yes. When you are bringing, put an equal sign on the left side. Put an equal sign. So like this, put an equal sign, equals. Okay. Now put one more equal sign below that equal sign and you will get the answer then. This is the stage you need the multiplication table. Okay.
And then 5 times 15. 75.
Yes. Now you will write done. Right? Yes. Teacher done. Okay. So you want one more problem, kid?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Get done. Yes. Okay. I am going to scroll up. You can see blank screen now, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to write another problem. Okay.
What use?
Hmm.
Acha Toto, it's time.
Okay. Do this, Shiva. First step is separate the denominator and the numerator.
Okay. First, I have to rebuild the
One
question.
single line. Some guys are upside, some guys are down on the bottom. Okay. Numerator, denominator. Do that.
Wait a minute. Acha,
Hmm.
what's the bottom thing you put down? The denominator?
Okay. Wait. 7.
Is 7?
Yes.
Okay. So first I have to rearrange it. So 7 times 2 times. What can I separate 31?
35. You may not have to separate. So because
No, I'm making it further more simple.
simple. Okay.
And then I will make. Oh, no, I can't make that simple.
Hmm.
I cut this 7. I cut this 7. I cut this 7.
No. You cannot. When you cut one number on the bottom, you can cut only one number on the top. So when you cut,
That makes more sense.
yes, you can't cut like that. Okay, write the denominator 7. When you cut 1 7 from the bottom, you can cut 1 7 from the top. Okay. Now
So
what you will cut?
these numbers.
Yes. Yeah. Now the teacher asks, can you do anything else?
Can I do anything else?
Yeah. Now you simplify it. You know the multiplication simplification, right? When okay, Shiva. Now you should practice one more thing. When you cut one number, you put the same numbers. When you cut, you start putting an 1 here. Okay. When you cut that, what you get is 1. Okay. So what you get is 2 times 5
One.
times 7 times, sorry, into 7 divided by 1. What is that? Simplify.
That is this answer.
Yeah. What is that? Simplify. I want one number.
2 times 5. Oh, I'm supposed to write the number.
Yeah. You can write the number. Okay.
This makes more sense.
Yes, that makes more sense. Okay. So that's where, okay. So 70.
But I can still do it without this 1 though.
Yeah, you can still do without that 1. Okay. So so like in a week's time, you should be able to look at that and tell the answer. Okay, simplification. Okay, Mane. So we are going to do next one. Okay, next problem. Okay, that is
Change. Simplify. Or simplify all of it.
simplify.
5 times 7 times 5 times 4.
Yes.
And then I will write this line. And then I will do 7 times 2. I cut 7. I cut 7. Now I have 2 here. So I do 5 times 2 and 24 times 25.
Can you get now? Think of a method where you can get rid of that 2 on the bottom. How can you get rid of that 2 on the bottom? You think. If you rearrange the numerator, you can get rid of that 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is there any even number on the top?
4.
Yes. So now I'll show you something. Okay. This is the technique you are going to apply. Okay, Shiva? Now listen. Okay. I'm just going to write the summary of what you have there. Okay. 5 times 4 divided by 2. There are 2 ways of doing it. Okay. Listen. Okay. Super smart kid will do cut this 2 and cut this 4, and then he will write a 2 here and then 1 here. You know what happened?
No.
Okay, that I'm going to tell. Okay, so what this kid actually did is he did some mental math. Okay, you know what mental math that kid did do?
Using our brain to do math.
Yeah. Does this make sense?
But I still do not know how that 1 came there.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Oh, now it makes sense.
Yeah, so this kid, instead of writing and showing like this, that kid knew that this 4 is 2 by 2, 2 times 2, right? That kid in the mind, he did this step, and then he cut that, and then he wrote a 2 there, right, Mane?
Yes.
Yes. Then that's why I said you should start writing.
I have a question though.
Okay, so this comes
Is the last question?
Yeah, this comes what, Mone? 5 times 5. What is the answer?
5 times 5 times 2.
Yeah.
Answer is 50.
50. Okay. So here you'll have to write it as, oh teacher, this is 50. I am done.
Done.
Okay. So this is the way you have to do. Okay. So practice makes
Habit.
habit, not perfect. Okay. So I'm going to give more problems. Okay. Okay, Maheshwar.
Mm. Okay. Now stop the recording.